Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a cast iron cleaning chain apparatus, and I'll show you guys what it is here. Here we go, we can open it up. So this is cool, this will be great. So this is what it looks like here. It's kind of like that chainmail stuff, and so you can kind of hang it even too, and you've got this here, and this is great for just scrubbing anything. If I have a pot here, I could just go and use this on there to scrub it all clean. If I had a cast iron pot, this one here is a ceramic coated one that's quite different. But you could use the chain to clean that. I'll probably also use this here. I could probably even wrap it around a little stick and use it to clean my grill, my barbecue grill. What I like about this too is it's kind of flexible, so it'll get in between those grates. Like some of the other stuff I have, it's just not getting it good. I could even stick this between the little bars and just scrub it back and forth. So this is gonna give me the ability to do lots of different cleaning tasks because it is a nice chainmail kind of scratchy little thing. It's not smooth, but it'll just clean off all the goop. So totally I'll be using this here and cleaning everything good. It'll probably clean the bottom of the pan here. I could use it for that because this has got a little bit of clean dirtness to it. But you could use it for anything you need to kind of scrub. So really cool, very good. Nice to have a little scrubbing metal cleaner here. It says it is 316 grade, whatever that is. And you can use it for all these different pots. Oh, it'll even clean the glass ones. Oh, that'll be good because we get the built-in crap on the glass ones, you know, when you're making a lasagna or something like that. Use this to clean that off. So it's great, totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.